Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the place where I take you on RV tours, campground tours, hiking destinations, and much, much more. Now today I want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. Now I know many of you enjoy that traditional oven roasted turkey dinner for Thanksgiving dinner, but a lot of us are out in our RVs camping, enjoying the great outdoors, and we don't have access to an oven. So you can still enjoy a great turkey Thanksgiving dinner using your stovetop. So today I'm going to be making skillet turkey and stuffing with vegetables. And here are the ingredients that you'll need to make this. So you'll need about 6 ounces of stuffing mix, about a cup of sweet peas, 10 ounces of corn in butter sauce, some turkey gravy, about 12 ounces, some seasoning of your choice. I have rosemary, garlic right here for the turkey, some butter, and a pound of boneless turkey tenderloins. Now this serves 4, and you can always cut the recipe in half if it's just you or one other person. Now I'm going to start off with preparing the stuffing. Now you can make this either in the microwave or you can do it on your cooktop. Now you really only need one burner for this recipe because once you make the stuffing it needs to sit for 5 minutes anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and just use one burner because a lot of us just have one burner in our RVs, especially those B-class fans. So I'm going to start by turning on my cooktop. And now I'm going to put 1.5 cups of water in the pot and let that come to a boil. Okay, I'm going to cover it up and let it come to a boil. While you're waiting for that water to boil for the stuffing mix, you can go ahead and cut up your turkey tenderloins into thin bite-sized strips. Okay, all cut up, and now I'm going to give my hands a wash and come right back. Okay, so it looks like the water has come to a boil. Now I want to mention that instead of water you can use chicken broth, and I have also added some onions in there on previous occasions and some chopped up mushrooms. I mean, you can add whatever you want to your stuffing mix, even some cranberries, however you prefer to use it. I'm just keeping it really simple right now. So I'm going to go ahead and add that stuffing mix. And letting it get all nice and soaked up, I'm going to turn off the burner and I'm going to mix it all in. Let it get absorbed in there and just give it a little more of a mix. Now I am going to cover it and set it aside for at least 5 minutes. I've set aside the stuffing to rest, so now I'm going to start on the turkey. So I've got my skillet, and I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of butter to start with. We'll put more in if needed. Turn my burner to medium. And now I'm going to put in the tenderloins. Let's get that butter melted a little more. Okay, I'm going to put in my tenderloins. I'm going to add a little bit of that seasoning on top. Now I'm going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat, and I'm going to cook it until it's no longer pink. Now I got my tongs out, and that makes it cook much more evenly. You can spread them out. And they actually don't take very long to cook at all. All right, so all the pink is gone, and they've got a nice little browning to them. They smell delicious. So next, I am going to add the gravy. Right on top. A half a cup of water. I'm going to throw in the corn. And the peas. And now I'm going to mix this all up really well. And then I'm going to let it come to a boil. All right, so it has come to a boil. So next I am going to reduce the heat to a medium low. And I'm going to cover it and let it cook for about 6 minutes. Okay, so it has been cooking for about 6 minutes. And I want to point out that if you are not using a non-stick skillet, you might want to go in periodically and just give it a little stir just to make sure it's not sticking. But it's turning out great. At this point, you can add a little bit of pepper if you like. But I'm going to go ahead now and spoon that stuffing right on top. Okay, just get the last bits in there. Right in that little spot right there. Great. Okay, so now I am going to cover it up and let it heat on through for another 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, time to check on it. It's been 10 minutes. Wow, take a look at that. I'm going to turn the burner off. That smells delicious. Okay, time to serve it. You might want to wait till it cools off a little, but I'm going to go right ahead and serve it on up. So I'm going to get these plated, and then I'm going to set up outside with some wine. So I've got it all plated and it looks delicious. So I'm just going to add some parsley for garnish. And if you hadn't already, you can always add some pepper on top or some salt if you want to. All right, now you can even add a side of cranberry if you want and just go all out. So I'm gonna pour some wine and then go enjoy my food outside. All right, I've got the food plated, got the wines. What a beautiful day this is turning out to be. Waves lapping against the shore. Great way to enjoy this meal. Now this was really easy to throw together, simple ingredients. Of course, you can dress it up as you like. If you want to keep it simple, all the better. Enjoy your time outdoors while you're camping. Let's give it a taste. Really good. The turkey turned out perfect. You can find this recipe and more on my new website, rubyadventuremom.com, so be sure to check that out. That is just delicious. Let's try the wine. Wonderful. Once again, happy Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please subscribe to my channel and join me for lots more videos. And don't forget to check out my new website, rubyadventuremom.com. Bye for now.